1974 Lincoln Cent, coin collectors and history lovers. Today, we are diving into the 1974 Lincoln Cent, a coin that seems ordinary but has a fascinating history, some rare varieties, and even a prototype made of aluminum that could be worth millions of dollars. Stick around as we explore its design, history, rarity, auction prices, and how to sell it for the best price. History of the 1974 Lincoln Cent. The 1974 Lincoln Cent was part of the Lincoln Memorial Series, which ran from 1959 to 2008. Designed by Victor D. Brenner, obverse, and Frank Gasparo, reverse, this series honored President Abraham Lincoln and replaced the earlier wheat cent design, 1909 to 1958. In 1974, the U.S. Mint experimented with aluminum cents to address rising copper costs. 1.5 million aluminum cents were struck for testing, but the plan was abandoned due to concerns from the vending machine industry and Congress. While nearly all aluminum cents were melted, a few escaped, making them among the rarest U.S. coins ever. The Philadelphia, P., Denver, D., and San Francisco, S. mints produced billions of 1974 Lincoln cents. However, only the rarest examples, high-grade coins, and error varieties are valuable today. Design of the 1974 Lincoln Cent. Obverse, front side, portrait of Abraham Lincoln, designed by Victor D. Brenner in 1909. In God We Trust. Inscribed above Lincoln's head, Liberty to the left, the year 1974. On the right, with the mint mark, D for Denver or S for San Francisco, or no mint mark for Philadelphia. Reverse, back side, features the Lincoln Memorial, designed by Frank Gasparo. United States of America. At the top, E pluribus unum. Above the memorial, 1 cent. At the bottom. This design was used from 1959 until 2008, when the Lincoln Bicentennial Cents replaced it. Rarity and mintage numbers of the 1974 Lincoln Cent. Philadelphia Mint, no mint mark, for 1,232,140,523 minted. Denver Mint, D, for 1,235,098,000 minted. San Francisco Mint, S, 409,426,660 minted. Proof cents. San Francisco, S, mint mark, 2,612,568 minted. Aluminum cents, prototype, extremely rare. 1.5 million struck, but nearly all were destroyed. Value of the 1974 Lincoln Cent. The value of a 1974 Lincoln Cent depends on its condition, grade, and whether it has rare errors or varieties. Circulated condition, worn coins, face value, $0.01. Slightly better condition, 5 cents, $0.10, since billions of these coins were made. Circulated examples hold little premium value unless they have an error. Uncirculated condition, mint state grades, MS60 to MS64, $1, $5 MS65, nice luster, few marks. $10, $20 MS66, well struck, highly collectible. $50, $100 MS67, pristine example, very scarce. $1,000 plus auction highlight. A 1974 Lincoln Cent graded MS67 plus RD by PCGS sold for over $3,000. 1974 S proof Lincoln Cents. San Francisco Mint. PR67 red, $10, $20. PR69 deep cameo, near perfect. $50, $100. PR70 deep cameo, perfect grade. $500, $1,000 plus rare errors and varieties of the 1974 Lincoln Cent. 1974 aluminum cent, extremely rare, worth millions. A few 1974 aluminum cents escaped destruction, making them among the rarest U.S. coins ever. Only about a dozen are known to exist today. Value: $250,000. $2,000,000 plus. Auction highlight: in 2014, an ungraded 1974D aluminum cent was confiscated by the U.S. government, but similar examples have been estimated at over $2 million. 2. 1974 double die obverse DDO. Some 1974 cents show doubling on Liberty and the date, especially on the 4. Value: $50 to $500, depending on condition. 3. 1974 off-center strike. If a cent is struck off-center, the value depends on how much of the design is missing. A 10% off-center might be worth $50 to $100, while a 50% off-center could sell for $500 plus. 4. 1974 struck on a wrong planchet. Some 1974 cents were accidentally struck on dime, nickel, or foreign coin planchets. These errors are worth $500 to $5,000, depending on the metal type. If you think you have an error coin, getting it certified by PCGS or NGC is the best way to determine its true value. How to sell a 1974 Lincoln cent. If you have a 1974 Lincoln cent and want to sell it, follow these steps. Check its condition. Coins in MS67 or higher are much more valuable. Look for rare errors. A double die, off-center strike, or aluminum cent can be worth big money. Get it graded if you have a high grade or rare variety. Getting it certified by PCGS or NGC will increase its value. Sell online. Websites like eBay, Heritage Auctions, and Great Collections are great for selling collectible coins. Visit a local coin dealer or show. You can also sell to local coin shops or attend coin shows for potential buyers. Final thoughts: the 1974 Lincoln cent might seem like just another penny, but its history, rare varieties, and error coins make it an exciting collectible. While most examples are only worth face value, high-grade coins and rare errors can be worth thousands or even millions of dollars. If you have one, check its condition, look for rare varieties, and consider getting it graded. You might be holding on to a hidden treasure. That's all for today's deep dive into the 1974 Lincoln cent. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coin collecting insights. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting!